Hi, Charlie from TrotBooks here. In this video we're going to be talking about recording races and purses. So this races page here will have every start that your horses have made. So the date, track, where they finished, the time, the purse, and what your owners earned off of it. Let's go through recording one now. So I'll pick the horse and the date of the race. And let's say they raced at Buffalo. One thing you might see immediately is that the race expenses are already pre-filled in, and that's from the race expense defaults that we set up in the horse group in the earlier video. Cool. Anyway, let's go through the rest of this here. So driver, race, post position, not super necessary, but the nice things to have for sure are finish position. So let's say Icewoman finished second and there was a $5,000 purse. Now you can immediately see that second is highlighted and we can see this purse distribution at 25% leads to the gross purse share being $1,250. So we can do a bunch of nice things other than just having second place or first place or third place. So let's say it was a dead heat. We can see this also highlights that with the DH, and we can see that the second and third purse get split. And then there's also compatibility for a DNF. Anyway, Icewoman came in second here, so we'll record this along with the default expense, and we'll say that there was also shipping. Cool. And that'll show up here. Of course, you can also click into the horse and see this in their expenses panel. The race expenses here will have them broken down and kind of categorized by their race and date. One more fun part of recording races is understanding the purse split. So not only are we going to be showing the purse split, perhaps using a stable default, but we understand that different racetracks, specifically Meadowlands, sometimes have different distributions. So if we're using Meadowlands, we know that stakes may be the same as what we expect. However, if we have the overnight 8-horse field, let's say, we know that that carries a different distribution. And we store that and let it be configurable in the racetracks here, but pre-fill all of this fun stuff out for you.